Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Brian Shrimp at Aquatics. Just getting a couple little things together here. I got an order in today. I believe that it might be some shrimp and some other stuff that I ordered. I ordered them from Daniel Johnson again in Utah. I think they're the snowballs. I just wanted to add some more to that colony that I'm starting, but also I uh, ordered some Indian almond leaves. I ordered uh, I ordered the cones, the alder cones, Indian almond leaves, some mineral balls, cholla wood, and I do believe I got 10 more snowballs off one of his auctions. Like I said, I wanted to add to my colony that colony. It's small. I don't even know if they're buried yet. I don't really pay attention too much over there yet because I haven't had them that long. But a lot of them were very small, so if there's only a couple adults in it, it helps with shipping too. So the amount that die in shipping is like none. So if he sends me juvies, oh yeah, look at this. Look at that boxing. It's so cool. He does such a great job every time. Gives me free food, and I mean, yeah, they're just little snack packs, but I mean, it's something that I can throw in there to change up stuff. Oh, that's in there. Yeah, he sends these nug bombs. Kind of looks like medical marijuana. That's what I joke with him about all the time. Not, not that I know anything. I don't know anything about it. I saw it on TV. I think on a commercial. But okay, so yeah, I think that's where the shrimp are. So yeah, look, got mineral balls, alder cones. Because I told him I wanted to buy, an amount. This is how much money I want to spend, and he came up with the order. So, got 4 bags of alder cones, 2 bags of mineral balls, lots of Indian almond leaves. I think there's maybe 20 or so. Maybe 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 4. Oh, there's 4. If there's 4 packed, then there's 20 here. What do we got here? Oh, more mineral balls. Cut more packs of mineral balls. I don't know, are they different colors? Yes, they are. So we have the brownish tannish color and the whitish color, grayish. Cholla, cholla, cholo, whatever you want to call it. Shrimp wood. Yeah, I got 3, 6, 8 pieces of that. 6-inch pieces. Looks like he may buy this stuff whole, and he cuts it down himself because the ends are white. Or maybe he gets it that way. I don't know. I don't get too in depth. I just ask him to send me really good shrimp, and he does it every single time. So he's never sent me. I've had a couple die, but it was, I don't know, weeks later, 2 weeks, 3 weeks later. But it's nothing to do. It's just shrimp die. It happens. Not everything can be perfect. Like Well, that tank over there, you guys can't see it. I just, I don't know, can you see this tank behind me? That's my cichlid tank. But the tank over here next to it, I have a breeding pair of discus in it. And they're new to the game. They've laid eggs. This is now their third time, but I had them in a tank that it would stress them out so they'd eat them. Well, I just caught her pecking at them really bad, so I put a cage around it. In front of it, I got an air bubbler bubbling in front of the eggs to keep everything moving. And see if that does any better, because I don't want to. I had a breeding cone in there, and the cage actually is for the breeding cone, but for some reason they chose to lay their eggs on the glass. So my breeding cone cage is useless. So it's not useless, but the back part that's opened up, I took an air line, put it in there, suction cup, a little bubbler to the bottom, right in front of the glass, and then I put the cage, the open part, right up against it to where the eggs are inside, and then I put a weighted sponge foam or sponge filter in front of it to hold it in place. So if the large male doesn't get too mean and really want to get in there, it should be okay. So, but yeah, oh, really? Oh, what a guy. What a guy. He sent me a buried one. What a guy. Guess see, that's what happens when you build a relationship with someone. You know, I'm just not a show up one time, get a couple, then never come back, So, hold on, let me grab a bucket. Yeah, I don't want to be that guy that just shows up, or calls once every 4 months, and says, hey, I find someone that I can trust, someone that has a very good product, and I gave him a chance in the beginning. Like I said, he gets, great reviews, kind of rave reviews, he has, I'm a breeder. I breed shrimp, and there's times where I'll want a deal, and hey, let me get it cheaper. But the fact of the matter is, if you spend the cash to get what you want, I mean, because he has, top-notch specimens. Oop, I knew that was going to cut the bag. He's got perfect, class A, class, whatever you're looking for, he can get you anything, he has it all. I mean, you could buy really low grade, you could buy a medium grade, you could buy a high grade. If you buy high grade, and, you're going to get, hopefully, all of your shrimplets will be high grade, your culling will be down to like maybe one, so but with me, the culling doesn't really, I don't have an issue with having the cull. I mean, I don't want to, I don't want to. Hold on, let me go get some water in this bag now fast in case something got caught. a second. Let's pick you up and come over here to the shrimp tank. Here's the snowballs. I got this super cool holder for the phone. I mean, this thing is the coolest thing in the world. I have a tremor, so my hands shake. And this takes it down, I mean, to almost nothing. So, I mean, you pay a good amount for them. They're not cheap or anything, but... Ugh. Shot myself in the face with that. That was not cute.